This is Chatham Sao, Thailand. We're going to an area that's flooded soon, and the monk will assess what should be done, and then the next day something will be done. It's a pretty effective way of doing things, checking out what the situation is and then figuring out a plan and then doing that plan. The road's a bit bumpy, but you can kind of see the beautiful scenery around me. Very, very heavy flooding. You see some of the trees are even covered up by the water side.
สภาพนี้ถ่วมถนนตั้งอย่างน้อย30 เซนน่ะ
Recording.
Okay. Recording? Okay.
Recording. Now we...
Okay. You don't have to come that close. I'm worried about the iPad. I'm gonna walk this way and then come back. You can record from the shore.
Okay, I will recording your sound.
Okay. You don't need to record the sound. It's okay.
Okay.
I'll walk this way and then come back while you record on the shore.
Okay. My shoe. Yeah. Now we.
Okay.
Now we here the flooding area, and
We come for help.
we come for looking for help, and it is Lion, the resort. He don't know anything.
Come back.
Thank you. Thank you. That was fun.
Oh, you stop.
Okay. As you can see, the flooding's really bad here. It's not in Chatham Sao, but it's really. I mean, I think it's part of Chat. Is it part of Chatham Sao? Okay.
Border of Chatham Sao and Pachimbury.
Okay. So the flooding's pretty bad, but it's not in my area of Chatham Sao. You can see that, like, look, see that house in the distance, and the trees. It's really, really high. The water is really high.